One of the best investments that you can get for your serger, no matter what brand you own, is a handheld needle threader. So this particular one, when held correctly, and I'll show you how to hold it, how to line it up, and then how to use it, but it has this little tongue or plunger system that when you slide down the front of the needle, by the way, that needle has a groove in the front of the needle. This is going to sit right on that groove and then slide down and plunge into the hole. So that's super easy. On your needle threader, there's either going to be a mark or an arrow. You need to make sure that that arrow is on top. Now, if you turn it 180 degrees, you'll find another arrow or mark. So one of those on the top side is correct. Then, as you look, you can kind of see that the thread has a mouth it can be placed in. So I'm laying the thread side to side. That's like in a horse's mouth, like a bridle. That's how I remember or how I teach it. Then if you come up to your needle, you're coming in straight from the front of it. And go ahead and push until you feel that little tongue land in the groove. There's only one place for it to go. And if it stops, you can slide down the needle, keep a little pressure on it. When it gets all the way to the end, push it all the way, and it plunges a piece of thread, which is perfect. That little loop you can get a hold of and pull right through. Now, I am a fan of that needle threader because on a serger, a lot of times you're threading 2 needles. And then that way you can just go ahead and do the second one just as easy. The key is that little mark on the top and that the thread needs to go side to side. So we're working through all the videos of this Singer Elite SE017. You can find the complete playlist of video tutorials right here at the end. Start back at the beginning and master your serger from start to finish.